Most people are hearing about peptides, but they don't actually understand what they do in the body. So I'm going to briefly touch on that because there's so much to learn about. Now, peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as signaling molecules in the body to influence processes like hormone release, tissue repair, metabolism, and immune function. In simple terms, peptides are messenger molecules that send signals that can influence how the body responds to things like repair, inflammation, and regeneration. Here's a breakdown of a few commonly discussed peptides in the wellness world. First is your BPC-157, one of the more commonly ones discussed. It is important to know that it has been studied mostly in animal and preclinical lab research with limited high-quality human clinical trials, just an FYI. But what the data has been showing is it promotes angiogenesis, meaning it may help stimulate the growth of new blood vessels in damaged tissue. This process helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues during repair. Second, GHK-Cu, the copper peptide. This one is widely used in skincare and aesthetic wellness. This peptide naturally occurs in the body and binds to copper, which plays an important role in many normal body functions. It's been studied for its connection to collagen production, skin repair, and wound healing. It's also associated with antioxidant effects, which is why it's often included in products focused on skin and hair support. And the last one I will briefly touch on is CJC-1295 and ipamorelin. These peptides are commonly paired because they're linked to growth hormone signaling. So they're associated with recovery processes, metabolic support, and pathways related to muscle maintenance and repair. Overall, peptides work by binding to receptors on cells and triggering specific responses, which is why different peptides can have very different effects depending on the pathway they target. Next, how is it taken? There's many ways to take them, but right now in the wellness world, subcutaneous is the way to go because it is absorbed better. If there's a peptide that is of interest to you, comment below and then follow for more.